Hello to everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing well. At first, let me introduce myself. I am Ευτυχία Karavangeli and I am currently studying informatics at a bachelor's level. I am the founder of a startup called AutoClosets, closest to comfort, and I am talking about this startup today. So, let's first consider the following scenario, and please don't deny it. It has happened to you too. So, you have an important meeting in 1 hour. You have millions of other things to do, and you're in a hurry trying to catch up with all of it. The meeting time is approaching. You must get dressed. You don't want to be late, but there's a high chance you will. Let's be honest now. So, you get to your closet, you open it in order to find your clothes, but you come across with this mess. Unbelievable, right? Inside your closet prevails a total chaos. All of your clothes are a complete mess and it is impossible to find one to wear. You're staring speechless at this mess and you are overwhelmed by more stress and anxiety. You are thinking constantly that you should hurry and you promise yourself that you will organize that mess when the first opportunity arises and you have some spare time. But, well, guess what? This time will likely ever come. And you know what? Because simply you have other things to do. I'm sure that this is a struggle that has happened to you as it has happened to me hundreds of times. So, that's why we're here for. We present you AutoClosets, closest to comfort. So, our concept is really easy. For people with having problems with organizing their closets, especially when having loads of clothes, a hectic life, and a demanding lifestyle, our company builds closets which will automatically sort and categorize the clothes so that they are always tidied up and organized. How is this done? Of course, there will be automation systems so that the closet do automatically all the work for you. Moreover, there will be artificial intelligence and mechanical engineering mechanisms, which, together with sensors, will reassure that the whole system works properly. The sliding and adjustable hangers, hooks, and shelves will lift and move the clothes so that they are organized according to your desires. And the most important thing, all the commands and orders will be given through our mobile app, which will be connected to the closet, of course. Now, our categories for organizing are by color of clothing, by type of clothes, for example, jeans, skirts, t-shirts, jackets, and so many others. By season, summer clothes, winter clothes. There will be also thematic clothes, for example, costumes for Halloween. And last but not least, there will be defined combinations by the user so that they always have pre-selected outfits ready to use. Moving on to who we are. For the time being, we are a small team consisting of upcoming programmers, including me, professional programmers, software developers, and mechanical engineers. You can understand that people with expertise in artificial intelligence and automation, and a lawyer and accountant could not be absent from our team. Of course, we're not alone at this endeavor. We tried to acquire as many partners as possible with expertise in the fields of our interests. Our partners consist of manufacturer and furniture companies for obvious reasons, of course, design companies to consult us concerning modern designs for our closets, and advertising companies to promote our idea. And now the juicy part. Whom are we targeting to? We are really convinced that the market is ready to support this idea. Our closets can come in handy to simply everyone, but our initial target group are really busy people who are out of home all day and they have usually lots and expensive clothes. It's normal to want them always tidied up and organized in order to find them easily, don't you think? Clothes are important for them. It's part of their job, and they need a variety of them for their work meetings, multiple events, and special occasions. They cannot spend their time organizing them. They have more important things in their lives. Their daily routine is almost always full. Another category of people at which we're targeting are the so-called influencers, who have been really popular at the last couple of years. They usually own huge amounts of clothes since they are necessary for their jobs. Since all these people invest in fancy expensive clothes, why not invest in a way for keeping them well organized too? We consider our initial approach to be around 500,000 people in the first 3-4 years. And now here's again our business model. I mentioned most of the points previously, as you can see, but I will elaborate on some that I didn't. Here are our partners, our main activities, namely what we do, whom we are addressing to, and our value proposition is, of course, automatic clothes sorting and organization. Now, our relationships with the customers can either be personal or impersonal, depending on what they wish, and they can learn about us through our website or by advertisements at the streets, or why not by word of mouth too. Besides, between us, this strategy is the most effective most of the times. Now, let's talk about money. Our sales will of course be the closets with all the automatic mechanisms incorporated, and apart from that there will be an annual subscription for our customers who will use the premium version of our app, which will have more special features. The funds we are seeking are for the materials and construction of the closets, for a place to rent, where the central offices of our company will be, as well as for the payments of the staff. Finally, we will need to pay our partners for their help they will give us. We are open to discussions, arrangements, and even compromises in order to find the most optimal solution for the company's future. The truth is that it's hard to start something new and want this to have a success, mainly because you have competitors. We would be fool to think that we hadn't. Everyone has. The competition, in our case, as in many others, is huge, but at our case, unlike other closet companies, AutoClosets focuses on the organization and sorting of clothes at any time, at any way you wish, and in the quickest possible time. Your clothes will be never again a mess. Now, concerning the funds we are seeking, our company estimates that around 500,000 closets will be sold in the next 3-4 years, and that the market and people will embrace the new idea as the technology develops more and more. The average cost for a closet is estimated at around 1,000 euros. Given that each year we will have an income of around 1 million euros, the initial desirable funds will be around 500,000 euros at the seed round in order to have all the available resources, as we mentioned them at the cost structure in the business plan, to create our small scale production. So, coming to an end, in order to get from this total mess to that absolute heaven, you have to trust AutoClosets. Well, that was all. Thank you so much for watching. And remember that technology can do miracles even when it comes to clothes organization. I'm Eftihia Karavangeli, and this was AutoClosets, closest to comfort.